Welcome to the best picks. The best cupcake liners is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, elements of baking delicious and visually appealing cupcakes, from preventing sticking and ensuring even baking to adding a touch of elegance and personality to your creations. Choosing the right liners can make all the difference, and in this video, we will explore various types of cupcake liners, highlighting their features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Wilton Rainbow Cups. These vibrant liners are perfect for baking delicious cupcakes. They add a festive touch to any occasion. With 300 liners, you'll have plenty for all your baking needs. It's a great value for your money. The assorted rainbow colors bring a cheerful look to your cupcakes. They're sure to impress your guests. These standard size liners fit perfectly in most cupcake tins. They're the ideal size for classic cupcakes. They're not just for cupcakes. Use them to hold candies, nuts, or other small treats. Baking cupcakes for a party or celebration? These liners will make your treats look amazing. They're perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special event. What we like? With 300 rainbow-colored liners, you'll always have enough for any occasion. They're perfect for adding a festive touch to your cupcakes, candies, or nuts. If you love bright colors and need a large quantity, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I have put very dense banana muffin batter and very soft apple muffins batter, and these hold up great. Didn't stick to my pan. They released well. The color was actually visible on all liners after baking. They didn't turn sheer like some other brands. These liners stand up to a range of batter weight. Right size, not short. Number 4. Eoonfirst Baking Cups. These baking cups are made from high-quality food-grade paper, ensuring a safe and healthy baking experience. They're perfect for all your baking needs, from cupcakes to candy. They're made with 40G paper and water-based ink, so you can avoid harmful chemicals and unpleasant odors. It's a healthier choice for you and your loved ones. With a standard size, bottom diameter 5 cm, height 3.25 cm, and a total diameter of 11.5 cm when expanded, and a pack of 200, you'll have plenty for all your baking projects. They come in a convenient PET cylindrical box, making them easy to select, protect, and store. Keep your baking supplies organized and readily available. These versatile liners are great for cupcakes, but also perfect for cake balls, candies, nuts, and more. They add a touch of elegance to any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or holiday party, these baking cups will elevate your desserts. They're the perfect way to add a touch of elegance to your celebrations. What we like? These liners are made with water-based ink, making them safe and eco-friendly. They come in a convenient box for easy storage. If you prioritize health and sustainability, these are the liners for you. What people say. I love that these are bleach-free and non-toxic. It makes me feel so much better about what I'm putting my cupcakes in. These are good paper liners, they're unbleached, well-made, and a good value. The paper cups also have fluted spacers to allow steam to escape up the sides of each muffin as it bakes, instead of being trapped against the walls of the muffin pan. These are non-toxic and plastic-free, so no nasty plastic nanoparticles to get into your cupcakes. I made a dozen gluten-free cupcakes and they released very easily from them. Number 3. Bake Choice Liners. Introducing 200 high-quality cupcake liners, perfect for all your baking needs. They're made from food-grade parchment paper, ensuring safe and delicious results. Each liner measures 1.97 inches in diameter and 1.37 inches in height, fitting standard muffin tins perfectly. Their natural color enhances the look of your baked goods. These liners are made with a siliconized coating, making them completely non-stick. This ensures easy removal of your cupcakes and minimizes cleanup. They're heat-resistant up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, and made from responsibly sourced materials, complying with FSC regulations. Enjoy baking with a clear conscience. Your liners arrive safely packaged in a sturdy craft box, protecting them during shipping. We ensure you receive them in perfect condition. Use them for cupcakes, muffins, cookies, tarts, or brownies. They're incredibly versatile and will elevate your baking game. What we like? The non-stick surface ensures easy removal of your baked goods, and they can withstand high temperatures. They also come in a protective box. If you need easy cleanup and reliable baking, this is the ideal option. What people say. These are great muffin papers and work well with the muffin mix that I use. Nothing sticks to them and they look more appetizing when they are a natural color. My muffins come out of the liners perfectly with no tears or crumbs left behind. I appreciate that these are chemical-free. They're thick enough that they feel really sturdy and I'm not afraid they'll rip, and they're totally non-stick. My banana bread requires a tiny bit of effort to peel off the liners, but everything else just pops right out, and it never leaves any paper on my treats. Number 2. Baking cups. These baking cups are perfect for all your baking needs. They're sturdy, food-safe, and come in a convenient container. They're made of brightly colored, sturdy paper that's grease-resistant, keeping them looking great. The vibrant color will add a pop to your treats. With a standard size, they fit perfectly in your muffin tins. Each cup measures 2 inches in diameter at the bottom, 2.7 inches at the top, and 1.3 inches high. These aren't just for cupcakes. Use them for desserts, appetizers, candies, anything you can imagine. The handy plastic tube keeps them organized and in perfect shape. It makes storage a breeze, so you're always ready to bake. This bulk pack of 300 white baking cups ensures you'll always have plenty on hand for all your baking adventures. You'll never run out. What we like. These sturdy white liners are perfect for a classic look and are great for a large batch of cupcakes. They come in a convenient plastic tube for easy storage. If you prefer a simple, elegant look and need a large quantity, these are perfect for you. What people say. Simple, effective, create a decent presentation. Great quality and price. I would put these against any name brand. Perfectly shaped, separate easily and do not move when filled. They also don't bleed excess grease, keep their color, even with chocolate cupcakes, and the paper feel. Number 1. Juvale Tulip Liners. These elegant tulip liners add a touch of class to your wedding cupcakes. They're the perfect size and create a beautiful presentation for your guests. Celebrate birthdays in style. These liners are ideal for baking delicious cupcakes and muffins, making your party extra special. They're not just for cupcakes. Use them for candy, ice cream, or even small gifts. The possibilities are endless. Each liner measures 2.2 by 3.15 inches, ideal for standard cupcakes and muffins. They hold up to 5 ounces of your favorite treats. These liners are oven-safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, making baking a breeze. Simply fill them, bake, and enjoy. Get 100 liners in this convenient bulk pack, ensuring you have enough for all your baking needs. Bake enough for everyone to enjoy. What we like. These elegant tulip-shaped liners add a touch of sophistication to your cupcakes. They're ideal for weddings or special occasions. If you're looking for a beautiful and unique liner, this is the one for you. What people say. Made cupcakes look extra special. They were sturdy as well as cute. These are thick and top quality. They hold up well and make everything look professional. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.